In his book, The 48 Laws of Power, Robert Greene argues that power is best wielded when it appears effortless. When you make your accomplishments seem easy, you generate awe and admiration in others. This perception of effortless power can be a powerful tool for achieving your goals and influencing others. Why effortless power is effective. There are several reasons why effortless power is so effective. First, it creates an aura of mystery and intrigue. When people don't understand how you achieve your goals, they are more likely to believe that you possess some sort of special ability or power. This can make them more inclined to follow your lead or defer to your judgment. Second, effortless power makes you seem more competent and capable. When you make your accomplishments look easy, it suggests that you have a deep understanding of your field and that you are able to execute your plans flawlessly. This can inspire confidence in others and make them more likely to trust you with important tasks or responsibilities. Third, effortless power can make you seem more charismatic and attractive. People are naturally drawn to those who seem to have it all together. When you project an image of effortless power, you become more magnetic and appealing to others. How to make your accomplishments seem effortless. There are a number of things you can do to make your accomplishments seem effortless. Here are a few tips. Focus on the results, not the process. When you are talking about your accomplishments, don't go into detail about how hard you worked or how many obstacles you overcame. Instead, focus on the positive outcomes that you achieved. Be humble and understated. Don't brag or boast about your accomplishments. Instead, let your work speak for itself. Project an air of confidence and composure. Even if you are feeling nervous or insecure, try to project an image of calm and self-assurance. This will make you appear more capable and in control. Be consistent with your actions. If you want to be perceived as someone who effortlessly achieves their goals, you need to back up your words with your actions. Consistently deliver high-quality work and meet or exceed expectations. Examples of effortless power. There are many examples of people throughout history who have wielded power effortlessly. Here are a few of the most notable. Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci was a painter, sculptor, architect, engineer, and inventor. He was a true Renaissance man who mastered a wide range of disciplines. His accomplishments were so vast and varied that it seemed as if he could do anything with ease. Mozart. Mozart was a musical prodigy who began composing symphonies at the age of 5. He wrote some of the most beautiful and enduring music ever composed. His effortless mastery of music made him one of the most admired composers of all time. Michael Jordan. Jordan is widely considered to be the greatest basketball player of all time. He won 6 NBA championships with the Chicago Bulls and was a 5-time NBA MVP. His athleticism and skill were so remarkable that it seemed as if he could do anything on a basketball court. Conclusion. The ability to make your accomplishments seem effortless is a powerful skill that can help you achieve your goals and influence others. By following the tips in this video, you can learn to project an image of effortless power and become a more effective leader and influencer.